Hello and welcome to the step-by-step do-it-yourself demo of LeadCon, a sales companion tool designed for you. I am literally going to take you step by step right from downloading the application to registering as a demo user and checking out all the different features that we have to offer for you, which we know are going to increase your sales and are going to empower your sales team members to sell more. So let's start by downloading the application. To download the application, go to your Play Store or the App Store and search for LeadCon CallR, CALLR, and click on download. Now that you have downloaded the application, let's begin by logging in. So click on the application icon, which you can see as CallR. You would be on the main screen which asks you for login, but being a demo version, you need to choose the new user register. So click on new user register. This is the main registration page. Put in your own name, your company name, your email ID, and so on and so forth. I'm going to put in mine. So let's do it. So while I'm doing it, I would like you to follow it as well. Once done, you can see right now there is a section called as select business category. Under the select business category, we have given you multiple businesses category. So you could possibly choose your own business category. There are around 25 to 30 odd business categories that we have added currently. But at the same time, if you do not find your own business category here, we would suggest that you can choose LeadCon demo, which is our main demo category. I'm going to choose LeadCon demo so that in case you choose, you will see the same thing. Once done, click on get your passkey. And now we are on the main page where you can see the details have been added in the email ID. The email ID which we choose has been added. The passkey for demo version is DEMO. Choose the country where you reside in. I'm currently in India, so I'm going to choose India. I click on login. And now we are logged in. We are right now on the main page, so you can see below it says get started. So I would like you to click on get started. Now we are on the main page, but being the demo, we are guiding you through already. So you can see a pop-up there which says, let's begin by adding a new lead. So click on the plus icon there and it will take you to a page which is basically where we are going to add the customer details. So LeadCon, as I said, is based on three most important parameters of sales, which is knowing your customer, sharing information with customer, and being available. So right now we are under knowing your customer. So let's start by knowing the customer a bit better. Okay. Right now for the demo, I want you guys to add your own details into the application. Okay. So I'm going to put in my own details. So we are going to consider ourselves as the customer as of now. So let's do that. So put in your own details. Okay. So put in the address. Note this. You can just put in the name and the phone number are the only two mandatory fields that we have added. But in case you get more information about the customer, it's always welcome, isn't it? So add in those necessary details that you can. So put in all the necessary information of yourself right now. Once done, click on next. And now you can see there is an inquiry form which is loaded. Now this is a totally customizable inquiry form which can be designed as per your line of business. Currently being a demo, we have mentioned that your product name 1, your product name 2. But when you buy the admins, you can create your own inquiry form of knowing the customer better. So it's like while I'm having a discussion with the customer, I'm able to choose that, okay, I know that the customer is interested in product 1, product 4 and 5. If there is something in specific, I can also write down. So you can also do that, product details required for product 4. Just an example. Similarly, you can scroll down and you can choose a certain service details. You can mention customer region. So I say the customer is from South. I can say the customer belongs to Bangalore. Okay. His current lead status, whether he's going to buy immediately, within 3 months, and so on and so forth. So this is a totally customizable inquiry form that you can do it. If there is some additional information, you can add that need brochure in email. Right? That's what customers might ask you, right? After once all that is done, you click on submit. The lead is being submitted, and now it also says lead added successfully. So to do that, on the top you can see it says view lead. So click on view lead, and now you can see the page is loaded, and you should be able to see your own name on the top. Click on your name, and now you are on the leads detail page. To know how this lead came in or the details of this lead, if you just scroll up, you can see all the details that we had filled there are now available here. Right from their personal details all the way up to the details section. Under the details section, you can also see all the different elements that we had mentioned while we picked up the details of the customer. So you can see here, the need brochure in email, Bangalore, all these parameters are here. The reason why we have done it this way is that when you are on the field or when you are between calls, you don't tend to, you don't have to look into a diary or something. Everything is in front of you, in your hands and in your smartphone. And that's why under the details section, you can see those details. So now let's begin the follow-up process, the most important element of sales, by calling the customer. And that's why on the first left hand side corner below, you can see there is a blue call icon. Can you see that? Click on that. For the first time for Android users, it will ask you to allow certain permissions. So I go to settings, I turn on permit drawing over other apps, come back, again click on call. Now it will ask you the permission for calling, to call the customer. Once done, again click on call, and now you can see there is a number. When you click on the number, it will directly connect. Right now, as you have added your own number, so the call may not get connected, but let's try that out. In my case, I have added another number. So okay, I'm going to choose the number, and you can see the call has started, right? And here it is. While the call here, as you can see on the top, the call is happening, but still below there is another page has opened up. And this is basically the page where we are going to put in the details. So while the call is actually happening, you can note down a certain details. What are those details? One is basically the lead status. In terms of in what all stages, these are basically the different stages in which the lead travels, right? So you can choose, so for raw, I'm going to choose prospecting. Then you have the facility to choose the call status. If you go to call status, what I want you to do right now is I want you to choose busy. Okay, I choose busy. Choose the number. Okay, once you have chosen the number, you can see it directly takes you to an SMS. Well, when we say that LeadCon is an automated tool, we have added all these necessary elements. So you can see there is a custom message that has been created. I click on send. You can see the message. It is not just generic, but it is personalized, which says hi Prasad Ganpule, which in this case is the customer. Okay, I click on back. Now below you can see there is a section of notes. Enter notes here. So let's consider the call happened and now we want to add notes. So I can add the notes that need more information via email about the new products, right, is what we might add. After which the customer may ask us that, okay, also give me a call after 2 days or, certain period. To which we have also given a facility to set a call reminder. So you can choose the date and time. I choose today's date. Just for the purpose of demo, I'm just going few minutes ahead. Okay. I click on OK. Click on set reminder. You can see here the date and the time that we have chosen is added. Okay. So just confirm that. Once done, click on done. And now you can see all the story that we just added is already available under the section of previous notes. The reason is that when you connect with the customer, you no more have to keep on searching in a diary or in a CRM or in an Excel sheet. Each and everything is in front of you in your sales companion, right? So that's why the previous note is here. So next time when the reminder will pop up, it will be easier for you to know what was the previous topic or what was the previous topic of discussion, and you can directly call the customer with the relevant topic. Now that the customer has asked us to send an email, let's start by sending an email. But before that, how much time do you normally take to send an email? 2 minutes? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? Well, see how much time do we take. To do that, next to the call icon, you can see there is email icon. Click on email. For the first time for Android users, it will ask for permissions. So allow the permission. Again, click on email. Now you can see there are a set number of templates which are already given here. I'm going to choose the introductory template. You can see it asks me for an email address. I choose the email ID. For in your case, it might give you directly take you to the email, or it might give you a pop-up with all the different email clients. I choose the email sender through which I wish to send the email. You may choose yours. Once done, we are already in email, and you can see all the different details of the email with the name. Everything is at one place. I just have to press send, right? So the most important factor is, most of the times when customer is not answering the calls, you have to connect with the customer over other tools of communication, right? And that is why we have added email, SMS, WhatsApp all at one place. Let's try and send SMS. So in a similar fashion, I go to SMS. You can choose another. I'm going to choose our benefits. I choose a number to which, and you can see the complete message is already set here, personalized. I just have to press send, and my message is on its way. Now to send WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp. And now you can see it asks you whether you want to use personal WhatsApp or business WhatsApp. So being in sales, it might be a case that you might be using a business WhatsApp. Like me, I'm going to use business WhatsApp. So I've chosen business WhatsApp. I choose WhatsApp again. I'm going to choose a message. I choose a number on which I'm supposed to send. And now you can see it is directly taken me to WhatsApp with all the details. And as you can see, the whole message is already here in detail with all the different parameters. What I just need to do is click on send. It's as simple as that. If I go back, you can see we are on the main screen. And the best part is, if you click on view customer story, you can see all the different aspects that we have worked on. All the different elements, right from the first call, the notes that we have added to the email, SMS, WhatsApps that we have sent with the date and time, correct? And that's the most important part, that without you writing any report or without you noting down anything, the system is taking care of everything. So this is the quick demo of the most essential element of our application, which where we have added 90% automation in your follow-up. Because in your follow-up, you do the follow-up via call, email, SMS, WhatsApp, and we have brought that literally at a click of a button. And that's what LeadCon stands for, lead conversion. Because only when a lead gets converted does revenue comes into the organization, ultimately helping the organization grow. Thank you so much for watching the demo, and I look forward to adding a sales companion to each and every one of you. Thank you.